Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the all-new 2021 Land Rover Defender. This one, because they put a sticker right over the sticker where it tells me what it is. What are you? I think this one's the 110S. That's gonna kill me. Yep, 110S. That's your key for it. Wow. 63075 as equipped. This one has a good amount of goodies on it. Oh, I like that. That is pretty nice, and you can floor is rubberized, you can hose down all of that stuff. It's all courtesy of Jaguar of Norwood, Jaguar Land Rover of Norwood. This thing is sweet. I love the steel wheels. Didn't think I'd like it. I love them. Also, this snorkel makes the best noises in the world when you have the window down. You can hear all the turbo noises and all that stuff because this one has the 4-cylinder turbo. It just sounds amazing. Reversing camera, drive. I'll do one with the window down to see if it picks it up. I don't know if it will over the wind noise, but either way, it sounds phenomenal. I will say the spec on this one is really, really good. General Manager Eddie of Land Rover of Norwood, he's like, try this one out. I was like, I'm not gonna say no. That's a do not enter. Okay. Oh, I guess we can enter wherever we want now. Eddie, the GM, also told me, yes, I know it's the 4-cylinder. You can get a 6-cylinder that's a bit more power, but he's like, try the 4-cylinder first and then go from there, because he's like, a lot of people are very, very pleasantly surprised with the 4-cylinder, and I am one of those people. It's a great little motor. You have the option for the 6-cylinder if you want, but if you don't want to spend the extra money and you're worried about the 4-cylinder being sluggish, it is not. It's really quite quick. Now, to put it into perspective, it's just about as quick as the V6 and the Wrangler, the 4-cylinder here. Another big issue or worry I had was it wouldn't be nice to drive. It would kind of beat you up like the Wrangler does. But that was not the case. Okay. I just had to play traffic controller. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So it doesn't really beat you up. Honestly, even with these steel wheels, whatever, off-road base tires, this is extremely comfortable. This is on the level of the Maserati Levante comfort to drive around. I can't really hear the tire noise, and it's just comfortable. That's what I love about this thing. It can be your daily driver all day, every day. It's awesome. Steering wheel is massive. It is a huge steering wheel. I love that though, because the Defender, a lot of people were scared that they were completely redoing the Defender. Everybody loved the classic look. Well, having this massive steering wheel, not only does it bring back that classic feel to the Defender, the bigger the radius of the wheel, the more precision you have in off-road situations, because there's just more wheel to move. Whereas if you had a tiny little wheel like this, these little inputs would do a ton, whereas in this, they don't do a whole lot. So you can be extremely precise off-road. Even over these bumps, it's fantastic. Honestly, I am pleasantly surprised. I've test driven one of these, and I was like, oh, it's a cool car. But now that I've kind of spent some time with it, I'm honestly impressed. I am really impressed. Brake pedal feel is phenomenal. Very, very impressive. Honestly, this is one heck of a car. Also has brake hold, so it'll hold the brake for you. You don't have to keep your foot on the pedal. Even the key is really, really nice, even on this basic entry-level one. Even though I'm not sure in the US if we get the 90, but this is the 110S. This thing is just so cool. I love it. There's so much to look how far away the visors are. Yes, they did it right. Nice. This is the coolest material ever. You know, the materials are great without feeling like you're afraid to get them dirty. It feels durable. Honestly, yeah. Eddie, you're not wrong. 4-cylinder's not bad in this thing. Obviously, if you want the fastest SUV on the block, get a Range Rover SVR. Then you'll be faster than almost every other SUV on the road. But this thing's properly cool. I love it. I really do. Oh, there's Ernie Bach. Ernie Bach Jr. casually driving his Fiat. I love the seating position too. My seat is all the way down, but I still feel pretty high up. It's really impressive. Honestly, Jaguar, you didn't make this. Land Rover did. I'm an idiot. Land Rover, man, you knocked it out of the park. What a machine. What a proper machine. Whenever I'm driving British cars, I always say proper. I don't know why. I'm not British, although sometimes I think I am because I love fish and chips. I don't know. I can't do a British accent though for the life of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.